Daily News Capsule by Abhit Shiksha. 15th November is celebrated as Janjatiya Gaurav Diwas in commemoration of Birsa Munda's birth anniversary. The day is marked to recollect the contribution of tribal community in the freedom struggle and to express pride in the tribal heritage of the country. The 17th Summit of the world's most advanced economies, G20, is being held at Bali, Indonesia. The motto for the summit is, Recover Together, Recover Stronger. The summit will focus on three sectors, primarily to focus on recovering after the pandemic, i.e. food and energy security, health partnership for global infrastructure and investment, and digital transformation. The third edition of Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise Sea Vigil 22 will be held from 15th November to 16th November by the Indian Navy. The exercise will be undertaken along the entire 7,516 km coastline, an exclusive economic zone with the coastline states and union territories along with coastal communities. The Sea Vigil exercise was conceptualized in 2018 to validate measures instituted to enhance maritime security after the attacks of 26/11s. Arunachal Pradesh government launched for the first time in the world a drone-mediated livestock vaccine delivery service from Kangkong to Paglam in its Lower Dibang Valley district. The experimental launch of the drone service covered an aerial distance of 28 kilometers in 23 minutes, which otherwise takes 4 hours by road at a total distance of 125 kilometers. This is the second launch of drone delivery service by the government, when it launched its medicine from the sky in August 2022. Assam government signed a Memorandum of Understanding with IIM Bangalore to launch Chief Minister's Young Professional Programme 2023 to 2025. The 2-year leadership program will train 75 young professionals from the state with the objectives to attract talent outside of traditional recruitment channel, provide opportunity of highly skilled people in growth of Assam at grassroots levels, help the government in improving health, education and women and child development sectors. Assam's Shiva Thapa creates history by bagging the silver medal at the Asian Boxing Championship at Amman, Jordan. With this medal, he has won 6 medals in total at the prestigious tournament, making him the most successful male pugilist in the championship's history. The final at Amman was stopped midway as Thapa had an unexpected knee injury for which he had to settle for the silver in the main 63 kg category. Olympic gold medalist Nayanmoni Saikia will be awarded the Arjuna Award 2022 by President Murmu. She was part of the lawn bowling team that won the gold at the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 2022. That's all for today's news capsule. See you tomorrow.